channel. An important job recruitment for 2021 pass outs, that is Tech Mahindra MNC company is going to hire freshers of 2020 and 2021 pass outs. So in this video we will see about who can apply for this Tech Mahindra off campus drive and how to apply for this drive and the selection criteria for this off campus drive. So first of all, without wasting much time, let's get started. So firstly, who are eligible to apply these off campus drive of Tech Mahindra? Only all the engineering graduates as well as MCA can apply for this Tech Mahindra off campus drive, and the eligible engineering branches are CSE or computer engineering or IT or electrical and communication or electrical and telecommunication, telecom or communication or MCA. And the students who have passed out qualifying course in 2020 or 2021 are eligible. And this is not open to the candidates who have passed these courses prior to 2020. And students should have scored minimum of 60% in SSC or 10th or else 12th or in diploma as well as BE, BTech or MCA. So student with less than 60% of marks cannot be eligible for this off-campus drive. Only the student above greater than 60% can be eligible to apply for this off-campus drive. And the selection process of this is that candidates shortlisted from the register list will be called for an aptitude test, essay, likewise as it is displayed on the screen. And next, the candidates who meet the eligibility criteria will be invited for the virtual and proctored online test in about 1 to 2 weeks from the date of candidate registration. That means due to this COVID situation, the exam will be going to be through online. And candidates who clear the online test will only be invited to next level of evaluation. And now we'll see how to apply for this off-campus drive. I will be providing the registration link in the description. Please click on that link and then you will be redirected into this page as you are seeing on the display. Then click here to register. After clicking here to register, please wait for 4 to 5 minutes because it takes 4 to 5 minutes to redirect into another page. Don't refresh the page. Please wait for 4 to 5 minutes. After then you will be getting redirected to this page, that is instructions for registration. Please read all these instructions before getting registered to this off-campus drive. So these are some important instructions for the candidate who are going to register for this Tech Mahindra off-campus drive. And after completion of registration, you will be getting registration ID as well as registration PIN sent to your mail ID which you have registered while you are filling the form. And you must note down those register ID and register PIN. You will be requiring this subsequently for corresponding availability for the appearance of test. And the important thing you have to remember is that in case you had appeared earlier for Tech Mahindra as a fresher for this recruitment drive either on campus or off campus, then you are not eligible to register for this off campus drive because there must be a clear gap of 6 months to attend for next attempt. After completion of reading these instructions, please give a tick mark in this checkbox and click on continue. Then you will be redirected into this page, that is registration form. Please fill your personal details, that is your first name, last name, as well as university enrollment number and date of birth, mobile number, gender, etc. Please provide the email ID which you are using now. And coming to qualification details, if you are from MCA, please select post graduation, and if you are an engineering student, please select as engineering graduation. And if you after selecting engineering graduation, next select class 10th and class 12th. And if you have done diploma after SSC, please select the diploma and enter your aggregate percentage as well as passing year and your college name. And after filling the graduation details, enter this CAPTCHA and register. After completion of registration, you will be getting a page like this. That is, please note you will be getting registration ID and registration PIN to your mail IDs. So this is the mail ID which you will receive after completion of successful registration of filling your registration form. And we can expect the assessment test date in 4th to 5th week of November, that is after Diwali or beginning of December. And let's see the salary and job location. As you can see, it is displayed on the screen. So this is the way you have to apply for this Tech Mahindra off-campus drive, and hope you understand. And for more updates, please stay tuned to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications when I post videos further. Till we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.